If winter had a favorite cocktail, this would be it. The Hot Toddy. Part comfort, part therapy, part let me pretend that I have a cold so I can drink this. Let's make it. The Hot Toddy story goes way back to 1700s. Some trace it to Scotland, where early whiskey needed help becoming drinkable. Others trace it to India, inspired by toddy, a palm sap drink. Wherever it came from, one thing is clear. It was created to comfort the living daylights out of people and conveniently distract them from the weather. And comfort, my friend, is exactly where toddy becomes fun. The toddy isn't just a recipe, it's a mindset. It's the open your fridge, trust the universe kind of a drink. Use whiskey, rum, brandy, mezcal, whatever matches your emotional state. Hot toddy or cold toddy, both exist, but winter ke time mein, the hot one hits like a character development. And yes, many people drink it when they're not feeling well, but still want to drink it because apparently the national medical advice is zehar hi zehar ko kaatta hai. The science is non-existent and the confidence is outstanding. And the playground doesn't stop there. You can start throwing in spices like you're auditioning for a masala commercial. Cinnamon, clove, cardamom, black pepper, even star anise. Citrus, take your pick. Lemon, lime, orange, or even grapefruit if you want some drama. Sweetener, from simple syrup to demerara syrup to our honey syrup today. Each one changes the personality of the drink just a little bit. But you're probably thinking now, okay, what do I actually need to make this drink? Here's what you need. Whiskey, honey, chamomile tea, Ceylon cinnamon, clove, and lemon. Now let's prepare the glass before we start building the drink. Ideally, use a mug or a handled glass so that you can hold a warm drink comfortably. Temper the glass with warm water and let it sit. And now, it's time to sweeten the story. We are making a 3:1 honey syrup. 90 grams of honey plus 30 grams of water. Short, sweet, and done. But before we build the drink, we need a little magic. Let's quickly understand tincture. A tincture is basically a highly concentrated liquid flavor or aromatic. Super easy to make and it opens up whole world of possibilities in a cocktail. We use a solvent to extract the flavor. Today it's vodka because vodka is neutral. Ideally you want a high proof vodka, but we don't get those in India, so we have to work with what we have. For tinctures, modern mixology relies on ratios, and sadly I'm gonna give you another one today. We are going to maintain 1:5 ratio of flavoring ingredient to vodka. So 24 grams of clove, 120 grams of vodka. Lightly crush the clove, put them in an airtight jar, pour the vodka, label with name and date, store it for 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks and my clove tincture is ready. That's it. We'll deep dive into tinctures in a future video. Now all I need to do is strain it and bottle it in the tincture bottle. Now that we've unlocked the aromatic, let's brew the backbone of this drink, chamomile tea. I normally use 3 grams per 250 ml, but we only need about 150 ml, so we'll use 1.8 grams of chamomile tea. Add water at 80 degrees, brew it for 4 minutes. The tea is ready, the glass is warm. Time for the main act. Into the tempered glass, we'll add 60 ml of our favorite whiskey, 15 ml of honey syrup, 1 drop of the clove tincture, 7.5 ml of lemon juice. Give it a little mix. Add the cinnamon stick and pour the tea over it. Now to finish it off, we'll take a lemon peel. Express the oils, give it a little rim, cut off the edges, and add to the drink. There it is, a hot toddy that warms the body, comforts the soul, and convinces you for a few minutes that winter isn't that bad. If you've learned something today, or if you're planning to make this at home, tell me in the comments below. If you want more cocktails that combine science, flavor, and occasionally questionable advice, welcome to Mad Lab & Co. See you in the next one.